So you want to learn how to create a Google Cloud account, free trial account. So in this video, I will explain all the steps so you can set up a Google Cloud account, free trial account. For this, you can open your Google account in your browser and then open cloud.google.com. So here you can see get 300 in free credits and free usage of 20 plus products. So the new way to cloud starts here, and you can see everything is here in the dashboard. And actually this is use Vertex AI to deploy and manage AI applications, and Gemini Code Assist for tasks and code assistant, and a lot of other things. So what we can start here, like get started for free. If you click here, so it will come to this page. Here you can see step 1 of 2, account information. So access to all Google Cloud products. Get everything you need to build and run your applications, websites, and services, including Firebase and the Google Maps API, and $300 in free credit to spend over the next 90 days. And no automatic charges. You only start paying if you decide to activate a full pay as you go out or choose to repay. Any remaining free credit is yours to keep. So what you can do here, like you can email updates, you can check this option and agree and continue. Now step 2 of 2, like payment information verification, and here you can see your individual and your ID, and everything is there. So you can I have already card here, so it will ask you to type the payment card details, so you can put that and then click on start free. Full address required. So first we start with full address required. I will type my full address here. And update. More card info needed. If we click on start free, so it is asking my card like security code, so I will add that one here. Now save updates and click on start free. Remember, you will put here your payment information card details. Because I have already set up my card, so therefore it just asked me, it showed me my card. So help us understand your needs so we can personalize your experience, like what exactly, how would you like to get started today. So learn to use Google Cloud and done. What do you want to do with Google Cloud first? Like I want to create AI solutions. I want to access AI models, like for example Gemini and other AI models, and done. This is just a survey. And now you can see welcome Omar, but you are in free trial. So 0 out of 300 credits we have till used. And the project, my first project in organization, also has been created here. And you can see here on the left side, this is hamburger menu, navigation menu, and here you can see a lot of things like Cloud Hub, Cloud Overview, Solutions, Billing, and Vertex AI that we are going to learn in the next videos. So Vertex AI, Compute Engine, and all other things, a lot of other things that we will Done. So you can access from here anything like Vertex AI dashboard if you want to access. So you can access it from here. You can see here Vertex AI Studio and Model Garden, Collab Enterprise, data sets for prepared data and feature store, and a lot of other things. So it's very easy. And so you will also receive an email once you sign in. Once you sign up, sorry. So you will receive an email from Google regarding Google account information and that you have done. And from beginning today, you have $300 in credit, which you can use to evaluate Google Cloud risk-free. So a lot of other things. So, perfect. So we have learned in this video how we can create Google Cloud free trial account. Remember, I am again telling the payment step, second step, it will ask you to put your card information. So you will put your card information because I already set up with Google, one of the Google services. Therefore, it was showing me my, previous card. So otherwise, when you will sign up, when you will register in your Google account and you haven't set up before, credit or debit card, so it will ask you to put the payment information. So you will type the payment information as per your banking financial details and make sure your international transactions is activated. So once you have activated and you have started the free trial status, you can see here $300 credit and 91 days remaining. So activate your full account to get unlimited access to all of Google Cloud. Use any remaining credits, then pay only for what you use. So this is also an incredible thing because even after your trial account will be expired, then you can see here like use any remaining credits and then pay only for what you use. So you will pay according to your use. So I hope you have learned a lot in this video. Kindly share the video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your relatives, and they can learn and they can increase their professional skills. They can learn how to create a Google Cloud account, free trial account, and they can start learning with me. And thank you so much once again. And please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.